Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone network problems. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing any kind of network problem, so let's see some possible fixes for that. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings app, go to general, go to VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or you can also try to go back and scroll down. You have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi, cellular data, or you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi, cellular data, or try to connect with a different network which is stable and more strong. So then go back and go to software update, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, go back and try to make a forced restart with your iPhone. How to do that? You have to quickly press its volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just leave the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to settings app, go to screen time section, go to content privacy restrictions, and you just have to make sure that you have disabled all the restrictions from here. So sometime it might be that your internet is restricted due to these restrictions, so you can easily fix by doing this step. And after that, you have to simply go ahead to your general section. If your issue persists, select general, select the option now transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings. So it will reset all of your iPhone network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can easily try this, and after that your issue will be fixed. If it's just your network setting issue, if it's still not fixed your issues, it might be your signal set, and you have to make sure that you have no signal set runs for your cellular or for your Wi-Fi. So after that you can get better performance for your internet. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.